Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mr. Krabs.
Shut the fuck up!
What did you say to me, Mr. Squidward? You better apologize right now!
I'm sorry, Mr. Krabs. I should have known better. I'll get back to your TikTok, Mr. Krabs.
I accept your apology, Mr. Squidward. Now get back to work. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mr. Hello, fat ass.
I wrote fat ass on the mirror, Squidward. Bye! Really, SpongeBob? You won't know who did it!
Which one of you knuckleheads wrote fat ass on the mirror?
That was Squidward, Mr. Krabs. SpongeBob, you little